In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily clean up your Outlook inbox. If your inbox is overflowing with emails and you find yourself overwhelmed, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process of tidying up your Outlook, helping you focus on the emails that truly matter. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to get to your Outlook dashboard. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the specific email or group of emails you want to clean up. If your inbox is packed, try using the search function or sorting your emails to hone in on what you really need to address. Think about which emails you want to keep and which ones can go. Once you've identified these emails, head over to the inbox in the left-hand corner of your screen. This area is your primary base for accessing all incoming emails. As you browse through your inbox, select the emails that you decide need to be cleaned up. This might include old newsletters, expired promotions, or any other emails you no longer need. You can select multiple emails by holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and clicking each email. This is a great way to speed up the process if you have several emails that require your attention. Now, with your unwanted emails selected, you're going to delete them. To do that, simply click the Delete option. This will move the emails you've chosen from your inbox into a temporary storage called deleted items. Think of deleted items as a safety net. It's there to catch any mistakes if you decide later that you need an email you just deleted. Emails in this folder aren't truly gone yet, so you still have an opportunity to recover them if necessary. The final step involves removing those emails permanently. Go over to the deleted items folder. Once you are in this folder, review the emails one more time just to be sure you're ready to say goodbye to them forever. Then, go ahead and click to permanently delete the files. At this point, those emails will be fully cleared from your Outlook. This can help you open up space and streamline your entire email process. And that's it. With these steps, your inbox should feel a little lighter and a lot more manageable. Remember, keeping your inbox clean and organized is a continuous task, but by following this routine regularly, you'll find it less daunting over time. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on organizing and simplifying your digital life.